Okay, it's recording. I can't get over there. Get out of the way.
Oh. I thought you would just go that way.
I was going to, but there's a cord there.
Well,
that's terrible.
There you go. There's your first mistake.
I probably should have turned it around too, because now how am I supposed to even know if it's recording right?
I have no idea. Go that way.
Huh?
Go that way.
Go this way? Oh, so I can see if it, make sure to check one more time.
I just thought you were going to turn around.
Well, there's a better camera on the front side.
Okay.
Okay, it's August with Chicken Hawk Farmstead, and we got our did my first pallet buy from a liquidation place. It ended up being 7 of these boxes. I didn't realize it was going to be that much. We took the Prius, and it barely fitted, but it made it. So we're going to go through it. I did look at the manifest, but I also looked at the manifest of like probably 20 or 30 different pallets, so I really only remember the main couple items that are listed on there. Total price was like $155 for all this stuff. Like I said, we got 7 of these.
7.
Yeah, 7 of these size boxes to go through. We're gonna pull some of the stuff out and see if we got screwed, or see if it actually is gonna work out in our benefit on reselling some of this stuff, or maybe even keeping some of it. Maybe. All right, I'm gonna put this box down there. We'll open it up.
Can you show the insides?
Oh, sorry. What the? Like, tip it over?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna stab you. Oh. That's the packaging. It's always nice.
Ooh.
And
That's why it's so
what we're
heavy.
starting with. I don't know what it is.
I think it's it looks like a lamp.
Alright, well, we're gonna put it down here. That'll break stuff up. Oh. Alright, first things first. Oh, that's not gonna work out. It's all gonna dump out. Yeah. We got a dirt devil. It's got the cord.
If that works, I'm keeping it.
Oh. And it doesn't appear to ever be used. Everything's clean.
Yeah.
Nice. There's a plug right behind us. Squeeze it up a little. See what happens. Hold that. Alright.
Doesn't.
Oh. Well, that's a bust. Here, hit it on something.
What?
Little tap. That's probably why it's clean, because it
Didn't work.
doesn't work.
There's the other parts that go with it down there.
Yes, maybe we can, maybe somebody needs it for parts, like this glass cover broke. So, I'll still list it. Maybe like $5. Does not work. You never know what would happen.
I think this
Alright.
pipe goes with that.
Now let's even look, it's even got all like the fences to stand upon. Man, could have been nice. So that's probably just trash. What's trash over here? What do you got? Oh, there. Open it up.
No, if you open it up, then
No,
it'll be
this
new.
is just the bag they put it in. Amazon puts it in.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Then it won't be new.
No, it's still. This is just a like when it comes back to the warehouse, they put it in there.
I don't know
What is that? Oh, it's a costume.
For
A
what?
dog. It's a dog costume.
Ah.
And we got a little dog too.
It's a UPS costume.
UPS.
So it says right there on the hat.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, you should leave it in the bag though.
So we got a UPS doggy costume. See that Halloween's over? Yeah. I don't know about this, but here, that's good on that side. We could probably definitely sell that. All right, what do you got there?
A diffuser. It looks brand new. Probably
Not
keep that
used?
as well.
Well, we can't keep everything. Then
Well, it's a diffuser.
like a oil diffuser.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll probably
If
keep
it-
those because we already have two.
If it works.
It works.
So we'll have to check on that one later too. It's a keep pile. Okay.
I don't think they're a keep pile.
That's a no. I mean like, not trash.
Ooh! This is might not work out.
It's my turn to grab something. That's really the help.
Is that a pool?
Oh no, I do remember this from the manifest now.
I love
I gotta see what these are. I gotta check it out.
those rubber bands.
I can't believe they are rubber bands. And I saw this and I was like, these will totally sell. Everybody would want something like this.
Why would you want that? What are you, why are you tearing everything apart?
There we go. The giant rubber bands.
Who would want that?
Giant slingshots. I mean, there's all kinds of people that probably want something like that.
Yeah.
I'm seeing like a couple bucks a piece on those.
Why you shouldn't put them on everything?
Alright, here, that goes on your side. That's another keeper area.
Keep. But,
Just, yeah, there's on the floor. Alright, next.
Fridge pantry bins.
French, what?
Fridge pantry bins.
Oh, that's cool.
It's a
So,
little dirty, but
man, is it used? Or just abused?
maybe just sticky stuff from shipping. Nothing too special.
Alright, next. Hey! It's a turtle temperature gauge. A turtle thermometer. Oh, it is open though.
Yeah, mine has
So, yeah, it's a little turtle. And I guess you put it on their forehead.
What? I thought it was bath water.
Oh. Is that what it's for?
Bath. See?
Oh.
Baby bath
Okay, yeah.
turtle meter.
Sure. Put it in the bathtub with them.
We
Check the
actually
batteries and stuff.
Don't have one of those.
Yeah.
Ooh, ooh.
So are we keeping that too?
I don't
It
know.
works?
Let's see. Oh, I know one thing you'll probably want to keep. No wonder it's so heavy.
What do we got? Some cast iron?
Cast iron lodge.
It's not broke, not chipped. Nice. So shipping wise, that'd be a pain in the ass. So
That's probably.
Yeah. probably keep. So far, we're not selling very much stuff. All right. Next we have. What is this?
Those are the bands.
What is that?
Ah.
Here, oh, you can open it up.
Yeah, but then it won't be new.
It's not new. These are all like returned. It doesn't come in that package originally from Amazon.
Looks like it does.
No. Those are the return packaging.
Oh, I've not opened that one.
What is it?
We're tossing that.
Oh. What is it?
That's a toss.
What do you just put on the table?
Yeah, that's a. It's called the Scarlet Kitten.
I don't know what that is.
It's a
A what?
a ball gag.
Oh.
It's one of the things. Well,
Well, we'll pretend it was for Halloween. Yeah.
Oh god.
It was for a Halloween costume.
Let's just
It's,
hope
yeah.
that wasn't used.
That's kind of funny, but yeah, I guess you never know what you're gonna get.
Okay,
Yeah,
we have
next.
an extra large gray Clementine tank top. Just a plain
Just
gray.
a plain gray shirt.
Yep.
Yep, that's for sale.
Yeah, that one's awesome. That says it is a 14-16, and I am sorry, that is nowhere near. I think my daughter could fit into that.
Maybe it's 14-16 child.
Maybe.
Alright, let's see what's next.
Doesn't. Yeah.
What we got here? Smash box and
Cordless electric kettle.
oh, electric tea kettle. Nice. Definitely either
I'm gonna put stuff back.
this could be warehouse damaged maybe. It does look new. Let's see if it's been used. I don't. Is it got it open? No, it's definitely never been used. So that's nice. Brand new. It looks like maybe just the box got smashed. cool. What's that, $5? Maybe 8 plus shipping, something like that. Most all this is going on eBay, so you gotta do the plus shipping. Oh, putting it all back in here?
Yeah.
Alright, and we'll hold up and be right back with the next box. That was pretty quick. Stop eating. And action.
What's about eating?
Alright, box 2. Got it right here. Let's open it. Take a look at what's inside. I'm gonna cut myself for the end of this. Oh, we did open that one thing. It was a ball gag.
That's right. I said it was.
But it was definitely not ever used or anything. And yeah, I said it was probably just a gag gift. Get it?
Mm.
She didn't think it was funny either. Alright, packaging.
You're gonna clean it up, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna clean it up. That's what we're looking at inside of the second box.
Ooh.
And if you wanna go ahead and grab that top thing off.
Looks like a basket. It's inspected. I need a basket.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I see. It's broken. It's a broken basket. So it probably will be my basket.
Alright, so we
It's
have,
like a picnic basket.
unless someone out there wants to buy this broken basket, I'll have my email below. But yeah, it's a broken basket. Oh, broken stuff is over here on my side. Alright, my turn. What we got here? Deep pocket fitted mattress up to 18 inches. 1 fitted sheet. 2 pellet cases. The mattress set. Ooh, 100% bamboo. 4-piece.
I don't believe it's been taken out. It looks still folded pretty nicely.
Ah.
Anybody that's folded a fitted sheet would know.
Yeah, but it's for a full-size bed and we got a king. So the
Yeah.
cat just hit the camera. I'm going to have to readjust it. But we don't need this, I don't think. But, so it's definitely a sell. Let me adjust the camera back. I'll go ahead and grab the next one.
Huh?
Go ahead and grab the next one if you want.
There's something pretty cool down there.
There's something cool. I want to see something.
Oh!
What
A
we got there?
premium mattress protector full. Once
Oh.
again, we actually need one of these, but we need it in twin. So,
Alright, so.
but brand new, never been.
No endorsement label, right? My turn? Oh, is that one big
Yeah.
item?
I don't know what that is.
No. Ooh. Okay. No, it's definitely a returned item. It's a pan. It's for your dishes after you wash them.
Ah.
So if you wash your dishes by hand and you're not in the new century with a dishwasher, there you go. So I'm gonna tape it up, turn it, let's see what it looks like inside.
Oh, it's all bent.
Oh, it's been smashed. Dang. Yeah, it's, well. This is smashed.
Yeah.
Get rid of that. And it's still a dish drainer. Right?
Alright.
So, yeah, I don't know. Looks like more trash. Wah wah. Alright, is there one more item down there? Grab that. What you got?
Black pants.
Black pants, alright. They go with a gray shirt. Betcha.
Yep.
Are they like super small ones too?
No, they're like jeggings.
Oh, jeggings. You think I can fit into them?
No.
No? Well, says are they?
I don't know. What does it say?
Alright, so we got some celebrity pink little black pants. Maybe I'll wear them for the next video. No. Oh, selling them.
That's it.
Alright, box number 3. Okay. Alright, so we're back. And box number 3. 3? Yeah, 3. Okay, went ahead and opened it so I didn't kill myself this time. And here's what we got.
Knock my
You drink over?
mix over.
And stick this down here.
Sideways.
Alright. And
Here, you got something out.
oh. Yes. Like I said, this is just what Amazon puts their return stuff in. It's nothing. Ooh.
A Titan's lunchbox.
Nice. I need a new lunchbox. This one's way too small for me though. Titans, is that
That's a football.
football? Oh, football times right now too. So that's definitely a keeper and a seller.
You want to put it in a bag?
Oh, you want to put it back in this bag? I mean, I got a package anyways. I'll send it out. So.
Let's keep things together.
All right.
Let's keep things together, please.
So yeah, if you want it, email below. Your turn.
Well, we've got a pair of Nike shoes.
Are they worn?
I don't know.
Did
Can't
you
tell.
smell them?
10.5s.
Just happens to be my size, and
they
they're
are used.
heavily used. So someone bought a pair of these, and then bought another pair and sent their old pair back. Rude.
Yeah.
Wow. What's in those Goodwill?
Somebody
Tax
did.
write. Tax write-off.
Yours is over there.
Oh, trash pile. My turn.
Well.
What we got there? Oh, I got a terrible one. Custom fit liners. Trash bags. Christmas present?
Yeah, but I think they go to a certain special.
I don't know. It just says
No.
some kind of
It
trash.
goes to those special ones like
Oh,
that.
like a trash compactor check. They probably ordered the wrong size. Because it says, yeah, there's two different sizes. So yeah,
Apparently they've already been
they've used a couple.
Used.
So I'll throw those on eBay. Be like, hey, it's open, but there's still some in there. $5.
Mm-hmm.
Everything's $5. What do you got there?
Looks like
White.
a white shirt.
White shirt. Crack it open. See if it's used. Dirty. Is it somebody's dirty laundry?
Well, we got used
Some people
shoes.
send the weirdest stuff back to Amazon. Yeah, we did just get some heavily used shoes.
It's a Calvin Klein.
That's a nice shirt then, right? See anything wrong with it?
Nope.
Quite possibly just the wrong size.
Looks like it needs to be folded and pressed.
We'll look that up. $10 maybe? I don't know. Sure it's not my size. Not to mention I'm not a Calvin Klein kind of guy.
Or a white shirt kind of guy.
Yeah, sure. They'll get dirty. Alright, here we got... Not sure. And bag ripping.
It's like pajamas.
I have to wear gloves with these from now on. Is it pajamas?
Yeah, it looks like a pajama set.
It is medium body something, yeah.
Yeah, it looks like
Is there a hole in it?
no, it's probably just a wrong size.
Oh, there we go.
It's a pajama set.
Okay. Yep, so got a little pajama set. Those pants. Alright, your turn.
Uh-oh.
What do you got? Something good? Something good? Something bad? Something ugly?
Something that...
Something I want?
No,
Oh,
not us.
not me. Something that you want?
No, not me either. I don't care about this either.
Oh. Something that we can't open?
Something.
Oh, what do we got?
A Green Bay Packers
Oh,
backpack.
backpack. Oh, the zipper's good?
I don't know.
Nice. Is it like a little kid's backpack?
Mm.
No tag or nothing, but might be worth a few bucks.
It looks like an adult backpack.
What's up with the zipper?
Try the other way. Oh, I see.
Oh, we got a break in the zipper. Yeah, probably trash then. I mean, granted, you could just probably zip this all the way around. That would no. Man, is this just full of defects?
Cat.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like trash. Oh well. Almost. Next. That's mine. We'll get this out of the way. It's a cake cup.
Yeah, Keurig mini cups.
Yep.
There's actually 2 of them.
Oh, we got another one?
Mm-hmm.
This one looks brand new.
I think they're brand new. I don't know why they...
Yeah.
I think the packaging was just damaged, but yeah.
Alright, so, yeah. Sell those. I don't know how much they sell for. Probably like $5.
Maybe a set.
Yeah, there you go. I don't know. We'll look these up and see what they sell for. That one brand new?
Yeah.
Alright, next. Knock out this box 3.
What
do we got there?
Pot slow cooker. Woo!
So a crock pot backpack?
Yeah, I need that.
Let's see if it's any good.
If it
So
is,
it's like a little thermal pouch thing. What size crock pot?
brand new.
Oh, it does anywhere from 4 to 7. So you're taking that too?
I'm thinking about it. I don't
think
have one of these.
I think I just got Christmas done.
Well, I'm gonna go to on Thursday and use.
Or maybe it'll be slightly used and then we'll sell it. Alright, let's see what this thing is. What do we got here? Ooh, that feels nice.
Lid strap.
Huh. Look at that. And it doesn't look used at all. It's a little half pillow. They probably ordered it, thought it was a full pillow, and then got half a pillow. Look at that. That's really nice.
Mm-hmm. It's very nice.
Or that might be a
Very
good traveling pillow. Yeah. I'd say we'd resell it, but I don't know how many people would actually buy a non-new pillow. Here, let's sell that. What do you got there?
I believe this is a dog sweater.
What about a cat? We got an annoying cat over here.
This is a dog.
Oh, a dog jacket
Yeah.
for a little girly dog.
Mm-hmm. I think it says cold weather small. It has sauces.
Yeah. Fun. All right. Next. Whoa.
Oh man.
Well, at least it's got the tags on it, so it's not that bad.
Yeah.
No. No. Little zip pack. I don't know. What's that worth? $5? $10?
Always $5.
Is that-
Anti-static.
Is that a brand or?
No, brand?
I don't know.
It is a 36C, ladies, if anyone's interested.
Because my channel has absolutely no ladies that watch it.
Maybe for
Yet.
your wife.
Yet.
For,
There you go,
ooh,
for your wife.
let's see what we got down here. Ooh, a brand new thermos. Bubba.
Nice. Just a little
I
stainless
assume
steel.
it's brand new. It looks brand new.
Crack it open.
See, it's in a sealed bag.
Give it a smell test.
I know it is the same. That's what they ship you in. I don't know where this goes to. Game Workshop.
See that? No, it's used.
Oh yeah.
There's liquid in it.
Mm.
Yeah, so we'll have to clean it up, but
Maybe I'll
if
keep
it doesn't make you sick, yeah, ship it out. Alright, you can keep it. Alright, what you got there?
I don't know. Random. Ooh!
Little cat. We'll see.
Frigidaire ice water filtration. We have
got a Frigidaire? Hey! Might fit our fridge. Look at there. Look at there. It might fit our fridge. Look at there. Is this factory sealed?
I don't know.
Nah, it looks like someone taped it up. I bet you this is a used filter that somebody got in. They replaced theirs and sent back the old one. Because apparently people do
Yeah,
that.
that's a thing.
Or they just got the work. No! The new cap's on there. I don't know what that was about.
Probably shouldn't be full of something that you don't know. But we need a new one.
Looks like it might be new. Brand new. They probably might have ordered the wrong size. So, throw that over there. Box number 4?
Sure.
5? What number are we on? Next box.
I thought you...
Alright. Got Alright, next box right here. Let's cut it open. Ow. Packaging. That's what we're working with. Doesn't look very exciting yet. We'll see how it goes. Alright. Hefty storage bags.
Quart.
Slider, 1 quart. A little smashed up, they look like they work. And
Mega pack.
I just had to go get these the other day, so keep.
Most likely good.
Nondescript brown box. There you go. You want to open that?
No, you can open that one.
It feels empty. Like it literally.
It
That's
says
the bottom.
it's a
So it's the what?
says
Hummingbird feeder.
feeder.
That doesn't look like official packaging. And it's a hummingbird feeder anyway, so we'll see if that's what it is, or if it's broke. Christmas
It's a
present.
hummingbird feeder.
It's a heavily used
Ew.
hummingbird feeder that no one cleaned out. So they probably put it out and then realized that hummingbirds hate them.
What?
So, no, like hate the people that live at this house. So they didn't come there.
Oh. Well, you can't resell it. We can always keep it.
Yep, we can always use
Yeah.
another hummingbird feeder.
We have several.
Alright, your turn. Go ahead. What you got there?
I want
See you eyeballing something that looks like an electronic kind of thing.
it's some no.
What? What?
Oh my goodness.
That's kind of cool.
This
Shake it.
is-
Because I've seen the guy I watch do a lot of resale
This
videos.
is heavy.
He gets these. They're expensive, like $100-something.
It is an HD treat camera to see and talk and treat your pets.
Yeah, like it's a Wi-Fi camera so you can see your pets while they're home. And you can hit a button and it shoots a treat out to them. And then they eat the treat and they come back and you can talk to
It
them.
was very much like
Ooh, brand new. Look at that. Never been opened or used. And like I said, I think these are like $100-something. This they're gonna pay for everything. Yeah, that's pretty awesome right there. I'm pretty stoked. Well, I mean, it's never been opened, so
wait, how do you know if it works?
factory new. So hopefully it works. I mean, yeah, we got some dogs, but no, and a cat, but
I don't care about
they're not-
pets that
yeah.
much.
Yeah, they don't need all this. I mean, I wish I had a little device that looked at me and would just shoot treats out into my mouth. But I'll definitely take another look at this. But it's another big one there. Any dog lovers, you're interested in it? Hit me up. Maybe we can negotiate a good price. If yeah, because things sell a lot cheaper directly than they do on eBay. Because you don't have to pay the eBay fees.
It's heavy.
Oh, that was pretty cool. Oh, this is me. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we're getting closer, but still not quite. We got some queen,
Is that
more
down?
bamboo,
Mattress protector. Queen.
queen size mattress protector.
Looks like
It's-
somebody might have
Wrong size.
opened it and
I mean, it looks
doesn't
new.
look like anybody put it on anything.
No, it looks brand new. So, oh, sorry, $5, $10. I don't
Oh
know.
my gosh, you and this pop up.
All right, let's see what's next.
Ouch.
What you got there?
It looks like a shirt.
Is that a Hawaiian shirt? If it's a Hawaiian shirt, it's keeping it.
I think it's for ladies.
Oh.
So, I mean, if you
I
want
mean,
to
if it's
wear
a lady Hawaiian shirt. No, it's a dress.
it is a sundress.
Yeah, that's not me. That's totally not me.
Long, very small. I don't actually know what size it is. Doesn't have a size.
No,
My
so-
guess is it was probably.
Or is that's one of those like over the bathing suit things, isn't it?
No.
I
Well,
feel the
maybe,
material.
yeah.
Feel the material.
Well, it
Like it's a
probably would be.
water resistant material, isn't it?
Well, because there's a big, huge slip in it. That's
Yeah.
why. Slip.
So yeah,
Anyway.
there's that.
I don't know what size that is.
We'll-
It doesn't have a
We'll
size.
figure it out.
We will figure that out.
All right, next.
We will
have-
figure that out.
Whoa, that's fun.
What is that?
I think it's one of those aquarium things. Cool.
Ooh,
We actually have an aquarium. It's a little pyramid for the little fishies to go in and out. How much?
$4.
Oh, killing me, lady, killing me.
Ooh,
So yeah, those fish tanks. Careful that one. It's breakable.
Yeah.
What you got? What you got? Sounds kind of exciting. Ooh, what is that?
Oh, I don't know.
Are you nervous?
I don't know.
Ever since the ball gag, she's been kind of nervous about this.
I'm not touching anything in there. It looks okay.
It's wooden.
Okay.
Ooh, cool.
Woo!
Oh, look at that.
For a good shave.
Whoops. Shouldn't have
No.
touched the blade. I don't know if it's anything fancy. What's that brand?
Opinel. I have no idea. It's
Opinel inbox. It looks fancy. Really light.
It's something French.
Oh, it's not a lock. There's no locking mechanism.
Number
or anything on
8 paddock.
it. Yeah, I don't have a clue.
It looks like you would use it
Feels
for
cheap.
shaving.
You think it's a shaving knife?
No, maybe not. Maybe that's like a no. That's not shaving.
I'll have to look into this. I don't have a clue about this. It could be $5. It could be $50. I mean, it's got a fancy little sleeve and a fancy little box.
This looks like it's never been opened. This really looks like it's never been opened.
Factory sealed.
No, like this
Yeah,
is the
like,
original tape.
That's what I'm saying. Factory sealed.
My gift. I don't know what that is.
And of course they like to put stuff over there. So we'll look this up. Give us a second, and then we'll look it up because there's no point of opening up something factory sealed if you ain't got to. But that's it for that box, and we'll be right back. And like I said, I'm gonna look this up real quick and be ready with the next box. Next box. All right, we opened it up anyways. I looked it up. The barcode thing said it, and it's a remote control caddy or
But
holder.
It's
It's the
old
organizer.
and It's like meant to be like
It's got the distressed look,
look.
which is
Yeah.
actually kind of funny because our coffee table that I built, that's made out of an old door, is white distressed wood from an old house on our property.
And we can never seem to figure out
And
where
this here, shut up. I mean, it's similar. It goes like
No,
this.
It goes like that.
yeah, it goes like that, and you stick your remotes down there. Trash, candy. Yeah. So, I guess we're keeping that too.
What? We don't have to keep it.
All right, we'll see. We'll put it up for sale. If it doesn't sell, then we'll keep it. Win-win. If it sells, awesome. If it doesn't, get to keep it. Either way. All right, next box.
Just be nice.
To be able to find a remote.
To be able to find a remote. Because someone tends to put it on the back of the couch and it falls behind the couch.
I know, kids. Goodness. Alright, packaging out of the way. And this is what we're looking at, guys. And girls, if there's any there.
Excuse me.
Well, you're not watching it, you're in it.
What's with these mattress pads? Is it twin?
Is it?
No, I'm sure it's not.
For the little ones.
Yeah.
Alright,
They were too
since it's right here on top,
This would be perfect.
we have a mattress. It is a queen.
Brand new.
It does look brand new. I don't think they ever opened it.
No. No, because you cannot. If anybody has opened one of these.
Oh yeah,
cannot
you can
put it
never
back.
get it back in the bag. I forgot about that. That's a good point.
It looks really comfortable.
And it's
But
clean.
any bed it looks pretty comfortable right now.
There you go. What you got there?
Ooh, it is a Instapot top, rim and handle. I don't have an Instapot.
I don't have an Instapot either. So is it
But-
like a replacement glass top? Oh.
Oh, it's got a something
Is it missing?
missing, a rivet or something.
Oh no, the rivet came out wrong.
Oh, I see.
See, it's supposed to be through there. Manufacturer defect, I'd say. I don't know. My brother, I think, has got an Instapot. I'll be like, hey, here's a half broken handle.
Half broken handle.
Merry Christmas! Here, put that in the keep-ish.
Keep-ish? We don't have a keep-ish.
Oh, alright, we'll put it in the trash. Defective, broke, needs to be worked on, pile, throw it away, Goodwill.
It's a Mr. Coffee Pot, but it's been opened, so.
It's really light. I don't guess it's glass. Replacement decant. So it's just the hot part.
Yeah. My guess is someone also.
You think it's broke? You think it's an old one? It's probably got coffee stains if it's an old one.
Yeah, it's probably someone's old coffee pot.
It's like the opposite of Christmas almost. Oh,
no! It actually is a brand new one for Mr. Coffee Pot.
Yeah, never been used. Maybe they ordered the wrong one, and it actually survived the shipping and everything. Nothing looks broke, shipped. So if you have a Mr. Coffee pot in your replacement 12 cup
10 to 12 cup coffee makers, EJ, FT, IS, LM, and BM series.
What she just said. Next, something fun, hopefully.
This is not really that fun. This is just some dish towels.
Yeah, I don't think we need to open that. Dish towels, keep?
Looks brand new. Like, yeah, we'll probably keep those because I don't see a point in reselling dish towels.
Alright.
Kind of like with the storage. What is that? Looks like a cover of some sort.
Like a big bag?
No, maybe a grill cover?
That could be a grill cover. How do I open this thing?
Why don't you just switch your mouth and put it? I'll probably end up keeping these too.
Yeah.
Well,
next time I'm not getting housewares or general merchandise.
Well, no, this isn't used.
Oh. This is...
What's this?
It's a house.
A what?
House? Dog house?
No.
New. It looks new, whatever it is. Definitely never been out, but I think you're right. I think it's a grill cover.
A really big one.
Yeah. So we'll have to see what this goes to exactly, but it's really nice. That's... Oh, hell. It's got vents and everything. Yeah, that's a nice...
How would you need vents for your grill?
So when the humid and the moisture gets in there, it doesn't rush your grill out. Humidity. Humids.
The humans.
Yeah, the humids.
Okay. See...
Well, look at this and I'll figure out how much it is.
This is what
$20.
annoys me about people.
Uh-oh.
So...
They use it and then turn it dirty?
They literally return this dirty.
Well, why are you going to wash it if you returned it? They don't know if people are going to buy it.
It's like how you...
So is there anything wrong with it?
I don't see anything.
Well, they just didn't want to do their
wrong with
dishes. Ew, look at that.
It's dirty, but I mean...
Oh, that's not dirt there.
We'll probably end up keeping that for ourselves because they look like good pans, and I like Green Life, and you can't resell used.
Sure you can. They do it all the time.
You woke the baby up.
Oh. Alright, well, two more things.
Okay, and he woke the baby up.
What do we got here? Some black soap. All natural soap. Still sealed. Box is a little damaged. Don't know anything about it. Oh, that's heavy. And, cool. Cast iron
muffin pan.
Muffin pan.
Looks like it's been used.
No, never been used. Brand new. Cast iron muffin pan. They probably returned it because it was rusted. Alright, box number 6. See if we can get any better. Alright, hasn't been too bad, I don't think. Could have been a lot worse. Could have been a lot worse. And get rid of the packaging. Whoa. Alright, that's what we're looking at. Obviously the Dirt Devil thing or something. What do you got there? Just a little...
Green Steel Beast.
Green Steel Beast?
It's a teal, like, tumbler.
Oh, well, give me a price. Steel Beast. Fancy brand?
Green Steel.
Yeah.
Premium drinkware.
We'll look it up and see.
Should I open it and see if it's...
Yeah, see if it's used. Go for it. Oh, you do that? I'll grab the next item. I'll go with this.
Looks like you got a mattress pad in there.
Mattress pad.
How do we know?
What do we got here? Looks like maybe a tool belt. Ooh, it is some kind of...
Looks like someone might have used this one. I don't know.
I got a tool belt here, I think. Back brace.
Back brace.
What's it say? Some kind of medical brace thing. It's got little loopies on it. Yep, not a clue on this.
I don't know. Is this what it is? Yep. Those.
Smell it. Yeah, it's been used. It doesn't have the new factory smell.
So what do you do with
So,
them?
sell it. We'll look at the brand and see if it's a good brand. Maybe it's a Yeti-like brand.
Okay,
Maybe they're $40 a piece. I don't know. Alright, we got this cool little brace thing. Yeah.
Back brace.
See? Alright, next. Another dust buster. Obviously open. Hopefully it works unlike the other one. What is it? What brand is this one?
It doesn't have a brand. It's called cordless.
Oh, we have a cordless brand
Yeah,
dust
someone,
buster.
it has been used.
It is used? Oh,
Ew.
yeah. Yeah, it's got some dog hairs and whatnots on it. So,
My guess is it
garage sale?
that goes that
Oh.
way.
Yeah. I just didn't want it. It had hair in it. What you got there?
It's been inspected and repackaged. Well, that sticker was on there too. I don't
probably gonna-
want to touch. I don't know what that is. I don't like the feeling of it though.
Oh.
Certain materials still feel right. Watch out.
Maybe it's a smoking jacket, pajamas.
That is table
Curtains. Curtains.
curtains.
Curtains. See the curtain rug? Oh, blackout curtains ish. Maybe. They've been made in China, so you know they're good and legit. What we got? Two?
Yeah.
We got two curtains.
How come people can't figure out how to fold things? There you go. And now I can tell.
Yeah.
Ugh,
Alright.
God, I don't like touching things.
What do we got
This
here?
Material, I do not like this material.
This came out of original packaging. Looks like a pending wall pull. If you pull the lever off, it's got a brand on it. Is this a pillow?
Yeah, I'm gonna use your knife on that one.
Maybe it hasn't been opened.
Looks like a set of 2 pillows.
Hmm.
Something
Home
collection.
Kind of fancy their pillows.
Yeah.
This pillow is compressed shipping purposes, and now we just
This one looks like it's been opened. This one looks like it hasn't.
Yeah, so we got 2 pillows.
They're square. They're very square.
Alright, your turn. See anything good in there?
This thing's heavy.
What do you got?
Ankle and wrist weights.
Could be why they're heavy. Hold on just a second. That might run my. Sorry about that. It was a phone call.
Ankle and wrist weights.
Brand new?
It doesn't look right now.
It's broke. Well, it looks like the top of the container just got broke. So where it used to be sealed. But you aren't going to get those back in there like that. Yeah, those are brand new, unused. Cool. Might be a nice brand. How much?
I don't know.
A few dollars. We'll have to look it up. You know, the 20 minutes that we've been doing the resale thing, don't really have much experience with it. Here is a shirt. I'm going to call it a shirt. And it has a... it's got a little stain on it, I think. See that?
Mm-hmm.
What was that? Dude, what?
Dude Perfect.
Dude Perfect? So maybe go to Goodwill. I don't think it's a...
Youth medium.
Yeah. No one's gonna buy a shirt with a little stain on it, so that's probably why I got returned. Or worst case, we got a rag.
This is the Simple Perfect.
Was it a soap dispenser?
Yeah, it's a soap dispenser, but I
Nice.
think it's specific. That's
The foamer, right?
I don't know. I think it sits in Simple Human. It was like the ones with the trash bags. I think it's.
Oh, it goes to like a certain set
I
or
think
something like
so.
that.
I don't know. That would be my guess.
Oh, soap dispenser, foamer, possibly.
Hey,
Yeah.
look. You said you needed some Velcro.
Hey, look.
Random thing of Velcro.
Alright, yeah. Just some Velcro straps. Oh, you know what this is?
Velcro.
Yeah, this goes to...
A back brace.
Yeah, possibly. It probably goes to the back brace or something. Yeah, put that back in there. We'll look it up.
LED bulb.
An LED bulb.
I don't know if it works. Obviously, I don't know.
Go to the next one. I'll open this.
It's heavy. It's also not to be open.
Yeah. The suspense is killing me. I love LED bulbs. And it's a LED bulb.
Do you think this is original?
No.
Tape or
I don't think so. Okay, it's an LED bulb, but it's a nice one.
might not work? You want to open this? I can't see what it says.
Leave the light switch on.
Oh.
Do not with it. I don't understand. Maybe it has a motion sensor built in. I'll have to look more into this. It looks like more than just your average LED bulb. I don't know what else more, but it's heavy. We'll figure it out. Oh. What do you got there?
A slow cooker.
Oh, like an actual crock pot?
Yeah.
Don't need any more crock pots. That's for sale. $5.
Maximatic?
I don't know. Is it, let me guess. It's the fancy one that we need.
Small business. I don't know.
So you need all over there.
I don't know. It looks like it's brand new in the package.
Yep, brand new.
Still has all the instructions.
Looks unopened. Well, unused. I'll pull it out to make sure though. Might be used. Whoa, that's a cat. Yeah, it might be used. We'll check it out later. We still got one more box to go after this.
Ooh.
And that's it for that one. So let's grab the last box, see what's in it. Box number 7. Alright, we got box number 7 here. It's the last one. It'll get another good item or two. Hopefully. That doesn't while. That doesn't look good. Got ad seen on TV kind of product. Yeah, it sure is.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Maybe a heater.
Alright, there we go.
Which is something you said you needed.
It's called Arctic Air. I don't think it's a heater. It might be the opposite. Alright. Let's go with this one first. As seen on TV. Arctic Air. Buy it now for $5.
Air to cool, moist air.
It's been opened and I've heard these things are complete gimmicks. So, yeah. I'll try to resell it though. There you go. Put that over there. Well, if it works. Alright. There you go. It looks like a handbag. That's up your alley, I think. Or, you may open it?
Yeah. Well, I mean, you just gotta open that button. Here is, while you're saying that, a Viking hat for
Whoa.
a small dog, brand new.
Viking hat? Oh, that's cool. It's like a little bitty dog.
For a little bit.
Hey, it's got braids and everything. Here,
Yeah.
trade me.
It's brand new, don't open it.
Oh, it's got the tag still on it.
Yeah, everything. Just leave it in the back.
I'm gonna show them what it looks like. Yeah, that's awesome. Little Viking hat. Get your little buddy to drink some mead with you. Alright.
This
What do we
is
got?
a really nice bag.
Is it a nice bag? Like a $5 bag or a $50 bag? Or like I'm not gonna get the sell it bag.
It has a funny smell.
Let me see. Does it smell like somebody used it for a gym bag?
No,
Nice.
Like a new smell, but it's a weird new smell.
It is. Did you look inside? Hopefully there's not a head inside. Oh, what's that brand? Sun Shining? Sun Shining? And inside of there we have
A travel bag to put it in.
a shoe bag. So that is fancy. So like it's like, hey, don't get your shoes inside this bag. What's Sun Shining? Is that? Have you ever heard of them?
Yeah.
So it's a Sun Shining bag. We'll look it up.
Yeah, I'll look it up.
And
Look at that one.
I'm going to the next one. This may be the last item here.
No, there's some
There's
more.
some more? Okay. So here we have a box. And in this box is, it's obviously been opened before. We don't have a clue. This way, that way, every which way. Oh wait, I do have a clue. I know what this is. This is one of the other items that was written on the thing, and hopefully it's not used. If it's used, that's really gross. Well, yeah, it's really gross if it's used. It looks like it's got decent packaging. Doesn't look used at all. It looks brand new. Yeah, all that's still sealed. The water pick. Not a toe pick, like in that movie. But a water pick. Water pick, water floss. Don't know why it got returned. But, there we go. Brand new. We'll have to see how much it costs and yeah, go from there. Looks like different settings. Yeah, we'll see. Looks like everything's there. Cool.
It's,
There you go. Oh, you still looking it up?
yeah.
Looking it up live. Didn't even pause it for that. Alright, let's go with this one now.
They're really cute bags.
We're not shopping right now. Okay, looks like these are for the reptiles, the heat lamps. We'll have to plug these in. I don't know if they've been...
Shake them. Hear anything?
No, it sounds like it might still be good. This one sounds good too. I said I don't see anything in there. So yeah, little heat lamps. Yeah, I'll test them out, make sure they work. Might resell them. I know some people that do have some amphibians, or might keep them for when we do chickens. So we do raise chickens, hence Chicken Farmstead.
Really
So,
cute
some
bag.
chicks. We're still looking up. How much is that bag? $10? 20?
No, like 26 new or something like
26 new, so like $15 we can get for it.
Phew.
If you let me
That's
sell
me.
it. Question. Alright, you want to do another item or?
that. No, I'm putting this one. Like, trying to put it up.
Oh. Alright.
Looks
We
like another
have-
shirt.
I don't know. Might be a sheet.
Looks like a,
Sheet or a shirt.
looks like,
It's soft. Oh, it's a bed skirt,
yeah,
I bet.
yeah, there we go. That's what I was trying
Yeah, it's a bed. I bet you it's for a twin. I bet you we got the same, like somebody ordered the comforter, the protector, all that stuff for a twin, and then realized they owned a queen or something.
No, because we got full.
So that standard 1000, it's an Amazon basic, so it's nothing fancy. Literally says in the name it's basic.
I didn't know Amazon made stuff.
Yeah, Amazon makes everything now.
Yeah.
Batteries, electronics, you name it.
What's in here?
Alright. And that's it. Yep, we're done. That was fun. I think we definitely got 150 plus the travel and all that. I think
That Arctic Cool is where it's at.
the Arctic Cool, the as seen on TV $10 gimmick. That's where we're gonna make all of our money
But
right
I
there.
did successfully get some kitchen towels, some storage bags.
I got my Christmas shopping done, so there you go. That was good times, and we'll see what we get next time. And like I said, all this is up for sale. Even the stuff that we said we're gonna keep. Yeah, we'll go ahead. Yeah, right price. Everything's up for sale. Sorry.
My used hummingbird feeder.
All right, hummingbird feeder and the dirty pans are definitely keepers. Remember that. All right, like, share, subscribe.
Somebody can have the Nike shoes.
And the Nike shoes.
Yeah,
If you pay for shipping, they are free. Just letting you know. All right, we're out.